If you want offspring, get big. A sea lion pup goes out on the hunt. Nearby, a school of yellowfin tuna swims by. One fish can weigh 60 kilos and reach 40 miles per hour. It's tough to keep up with them. The pup gets clever, chasing some fish into a small cove. Will it work? Drop your guess below. At first, it looks good. But when he strikes, the fish slips away. It's not over. The pup calls in friends for group hunting. They herd the fish back into the cove. One lion blocks the exit, stopping escape. The fish is cornered. With a quick strike, he catches it. Another swift attack. This tuna didn't stand a chance. Look at that reward. All to follow one basic rule for many animals.